Hi everyone. Last class I explained terms involved in chemical kinetics. Now today I am going to tell about types of order of reactions. Order of reactions can be divided mainly three types. They are number 1 zero order reactions, number 2 first order reactions, number 3 second order reactions. First one, zero order reactions. Definition: the sum of powers of concentration terms in rate equation is equal to 0. That is, the rate of reaction does not depend on the concentration of reactants. For example, all photochemical reactions undergo zero order reactions. Photosynthesis of reactions, this is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in presence of light, sunlight, gives rise, produce glucose and oxygen. The most important equation in environmental. So the rate of above reaction depend only on the intensity of sunlight, but not on the concentration of carbon dioxide and water molecule. So that's why here is rate does not directly proportional to the concentration of carbon dioxide as well as concentration of water molecule. Here only depends intensity of sunlight. So that's why rate of this total reaction equal to 0. So that's why this reaction belongs to zero order reactions. So all photochemical reactions undergo zero order reactions. So now another example, all heterogeneous catalysis undergo zero order reactions. What is heterogeneous catalysis? What is homogeneous catalysis? So the reactants and catalyst in the same phase called, that type of reactions called homogeneous reactions. If the reactants as well as catalysts in the different phase, that type of reactions called heterogeneous catalysis. So preparation of ammonia, this is Haber process. So sodium nitrogen react with hydrogen, gives rise in presence of iron catalyst to form ammonia. So this is gas, this is also gas, this is solid. So different phases is called heterogeneous catalysis. So see here, the rate of above reactions depends only on the surface of area of iron catalyst, but not on the concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen elements. So here also rate does not depend on the nitrogen as well as hydrogen concentration, only depends on the iron surface area. So that's why this reaction belongs to zero order reactions. Another example, sulfur dioxide react with oxygen, gives rise vanadium pentoxide to form sulfur trioxide. This is also zero order reactions. Now second one, first order reaction. Definition: the sum of powers of concentration of reactants in the rate equation is equal to 1. For example, hydrolysis of methyl estate. So this is methyl estate react with water molecule in presence of acidic medium to form acetic acid and methyl alcohol. Here The rate of above reaction depends only on the concentration of acetic acid. See here, the concentration of acetate, but not on the concentration of water molecule, because the above reaction occurs 1:1 ratio, that is, the rate of reaction does not influence by the concentration of water molecule due to large amount of water molecule in this reaction. So that's why methyl acetate reaction undergo only first order reactions. Order of the reaction equal to n equal to 1. Second example, hydrolysis of sucrose to form glucose and fructose. Here rate directly proportional to only depends only concentration of sucrose. So here not depends water molecule, because this high quantity, so that's why n equal to 1. 3. Another example, first order reaction, radioactive disintegration reactions like nucleofussion and nucleofussion reactions undergo first order reactions. Third one, second order reaction. Definition: the sum of powers of concentration of reactants equal to 2. The examples: ethyl acetate react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium acetate and ethyl alcohol. The rate directly proportional to the concentration of ethyl acetate and sodium hydroxide. 1 power of 1 here, coefficient 1, here coefficient 1. So n equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. This is second order reactions. Another example, dissociation of hydrogen iodide. So Hi dissociation to form hydrogen and iodine. So rate directly proportional to Hi, here coefficient 2, power of 2, n equal to 2. This is second order reaction. Dissociation of ozone, another example, 2O3 gives rise 3O2. Here rate directly proportional to O3 power of square, so n equal to 2. So another example, reduction of ethylene. See here C2H4 plus H2 gives rise ethane. So rate directly proportional to ethylene as well as hydrogen. So power of 1 n equal to 2. This is also belongs to second order reactions. Thank you.